What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the Hobbywing's new crawler combos. It's called the Hobbywing X Plus R3. Now this is the latest X combo. Now let's unbox it. Now this is the ESC. Look at it. X Plus R3. Now this is a 135 amps ESC. It's suitable for the 1/10 gears to 1/6 gears crawlers. It's also the sensor FOC. Now this is the Hobbywing's X motors. Now this is a 4274 crawlers here. Since the wires, and you should solder the plugs by yourselves here. Solder. Look at it. X 4274. This is a 2000 kV, and the motors and the ESCs can support it up to 6S. Now let's weigh this. The motors is about 400 grams. Now let's weigh the ESCs. The ESCs is 133 grams. Now, in my opinion, these combos is just like the Castle's Mamba X, and this is just like the 1515 motors. But this is a crawler combo. It has a Hobbywing's unique technologies. FOC is so gorgeous for the crawlers here. And it can even up to 6S, so you can bash your crawlers, and it can crawl slowly and bash fast. And I think I can even make crawlers. It can run very slow, and it can achieve even 100 kilometers per hour. Now that's all about these combos, and I will push it to my 1/8 crawlers. Now these crawlers, the Traction Hobbies 1/8 Ford Raptors here, and I will test to drag a Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. I think these combos have more torque than the 775 brushed motors and even 895 brushed motors here. Now, thank you guys. Thumbs up, make comments down below, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.